Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're ready to pay? Start by confirming your linked bank or card and that you have enough balance. Open the payment app or wallet and tap the scan or pay button to launch the camera. This reduces steps at checkout. Once done, make sure camera permission is allowed and raise phone brightness to about 70-100% so the QR pattern reads quickly. You do this now so scanning is fast, reliable, and tied to the correct account before you proceed to capture the merchant code. You should align the QR code inside the on-screen guide and hold the phone steady at about 6 to 12 inches. This helps the camera focus and speeds detection. Once the app reads the code, it displays merchant name and amount. Verify these details and add a tip if required. Then choose your payment source, such as a specific card or bank account, and glance at any fee or currency conversion shown. If everything matches, you're set to authorize the transfer securely and confidently. You finish by tapping Confirm or Pay, and you should immediately see a transaction ID and receipt in the app. Save a screenshot or request an emailed receipt for your records. Make sure the amount debited matches what was displayed, and then close the payment session or log out if on a shared device. If scanning fails, try the manual code entry option, increase screen and ambient light, or switch from cellular to Wi-Fi. These fixes solve most read or connectivity problems quickly and securely.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.